What's up everyone, it's Shaquille, your guide to living with Apple every day, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the background on your text messages in the new iOS 26. So without further ado, let's get started. Here's how to change the background in text messages on iPhone. Keep in mind, it's specific only to the person or the group you're in. It doesn't change it for everyone. You have to go into each group individually and change it. You click on their name at the top and it will default to this page, which has their phone number and their email, etc. I'm blacking this out for privacy. You want to click on background right here, and then it has default ones like this, and they move, you'll see. It also has suggestions like pictures and stuff that you've taken in the past. Assuming you go with a default one, let's say water, the water is moving. You can see, you press done, and then if you press back, you'll see that the background is now changed. So when you text someone, hi, it's text messages on that new background. And so to change it again, just so you see, we're going to click a photo this time. And we're just going to click a random beach photo. We're going to click blue check icon. And then we're going to click back. And because the picture was stationary, it's not moving like those defaulted backgrounds from iOS. And for those of you who only wanted to know how to change it really quickly, you can end the video now. And for those of you who want a further deep dive, stick with me and let's play around. So you saw stationary, you saw moving. Now let's check color. The color is moving. So here's mango, here's ice, plum. You can see the waves are moving. Deep sea. I'm curious, would I want my text messages to move all the time? I don't know if it would get disorienting, like if you're traveling in the car or in the bus. Oh, that's interesting. It stops moving after like 5-6 seconds. It doesn't keep moving. Okay, so that makes me feel better. Now, our original water. So the beach is moving, the sand is moving in the water. It's like waves of the ocean on the ocean floor. I'm curious if after 1 or 2 more seconds it stops moving, and it looks like it does. So this is the same moving background as, say, your new MacBook screen login. So it only moves for a few seconds and then it stops, which is cool, but I also understand that it might be disorienting for some people. Cool Aurora Borealis. And it stops moving. It's interesting that Apple's going towards all this moving background, moving screen, moving whatever, so some people might want less disorienting stuff. And then for those who want to get really creative, you can click on Playground right here. Describe an image or add a suggestion from the list. So let's say we want a mountain in space with a party and there's a dolphin. Okay. Mountain in space with a dolphin at a party. I don't know, background, yeah. So for those who want to get creative with their Genmojis, you can use your Apple AI, which is a waste of a usage of Apple AI, if you ask me. But yeah, you got colors, photos, moving, nature. You can, and then Genmoji, Apple AI, generative images, or you can go back to none, and boom, back to normal. And for those curious how I got the dark background, because it's dark mode, because it's the new built-in dark mode on iOS, you can watch my other video, which I'll put a link up here and in the description below. Make sure you subscribe for more Apple tips.